Well, it is no secret that motherhood can be daunting, and it can really present a new set of challenges. Many women experience the baby blues, which is a mood and anxiety disorder that affects about 1 in 5 new or expecting moms. This, according to the World Health Organization.
And a new book aims to destigmatize these feelings. It's called Rattled, How to Calm New Mom Anxiety with the Power of the Postpartum Brain. It serves as a roadmap for parents and really focuses on the often overlooked aspects of motherhood. So joining us now is the author herself, Dr. Nicole Amoyal Pensak. She's also a clinical psychologist and a personal mother of 2.
Yes.
Thank you so much for joining us, doctor. I think this is an important conversation. I am postpartum, 16, 17 months, I guess, at this point. How is being a mom yourself, how did it sort of reframe your thinking on this?
Exactly. So I went through an experience early in motherhood when I actually called my doctor in tears from my closet, and I thought I had hit my rock bottom. But then shortly thereafter, I actually felt better than ever. I got through that and was thriving. And I was like, I want this for all mothers. And so when I turned to the science, I uncovered a story that's not being told that everyone needs to hear. And the story is that when you become a mother, it's a developmental phase, like adolescence, but it doesn't get any attention. And while your brain is changing rapidly and profoundly to caregive for a baby, there's also new emotional experiences like baby bonding, mom guilt, mom shame, relationship changes, identity changes. And so you want to really navigate that and give mothers support through all of those changes. And a lot of mothers ask me, when am I going to feel like myself again?
Right.
And the truth is that you're a different person from the inside out, right? You've probably experienced that as well.
I love how you said that. That is so true. You do change, and I think people think they're going to go back to some other state of being, and it's okay to accept that evolution.
Right.
Yeah, you only go forward, exactly. I know that you describe your book, Rattled, as a call to action to dismantle the barriers of maternal well-being. So what were you seeing in the maternal health care system when you called your doctor from your closet, that really concerns you and that you're hoping to change?
So for all mothers, I mean, the statistics are staggering. As you said, the World Health Organization says that 1 in 5 women will experience a postpartum mood disorder and anxiety disorder. And so mothers feel like they're failing if they're suffering. And really what I want to emphasize is that this is just a vulnerability that comes with this incredible transformation, and it's part of it. And so I want to validate the real vulnerabilities here and how to get past it, how to get treatment. And luckily we do have some resources. Postpartum Support International has free virtual support groups nationwide, right? So we want to encourage mothers to reach out for help if they need it.
It's interesting you talk about, reaching out for help, and certainly that sounds like one practical step. But what are, some of the other practical steps? How did you go from crying in your closet to, as you described, thriving? What can women who are watching this do right now?
I love that question. So I would say it's really the power of the mom brain, right? So we think of mom brain as a negative and a dysfunctional thing. And when a mom makes a mistake, it's that their brain's not working properly. But really the mom brain is brilliant. We just have to nurture it and know how to support it through this process. The brain is making changes to increase empathy, better problem solving, emotional empathy, as well as, just really being primed for caregiving and other things as well. So yeah, it's just fantastic.
We learned so much in this 3.5 minutes. Thank you so much, Dr. Nicole Amoyal Pensak. Your book is called Rattled, How to Calm New Mom Anxiety with the Power of the Postpartum Brain. I love that. Thanks
for
so much.
having me.